Hey guys and dolls, and welcome into another video. My name is Jason and we have some great news that has just come out. The NIO deliveries are in, guys, for March, so we are going to be diving through and we are going to be talking about what they have been up to. There has been some really exciting news and there has been a new blog post which I'm going to go through because it has extreme relevance moving forward. So it's very exciting news there, and then I'm going to dive into a little bit of a technical analysis and we're going to be seeing what we can expect NIO to be doing over the next couple of weeks regarding this news. So guys, I have just woken up here and I just wanted to get this video out to you. So all I ask in return for this video is that you go down below, smash that like button for me, and then hit that big red subscribe button if you are new, and welcome to this family of investors. My name is Jason. Let's dive straight into the deliveries. So guys, we are on the NIO website and we can see that we have had the first quarter of 2021 delivery update, and it says here that NIO has delivered 7,257 vehicles in March in 2021, increasing by over 373% year over year. So that is absolutely whopping. So I mean, how many companies do you guys know that are growing over 100 or 200% every single year of that quarter? So guys, that is absolutely incredible. The fact that they've managed to grow already 373%, and this is only just the beginning. If you look at the total number of electrical vehicles being produced right now around the world, it is about 2%. So this market is barely penetrated. It is literally like a needle in a haystack. Where are we going to be, guys, in 10 years from now? This is why I have continued to reassure all of the investors on my channel, all of the people that are in fact invested in NIO, because obviously we have had that big sell-off and a lot of people are panicking, but I am telling you, Wall Street don't know what is coming for them, and they are in fact going to be scooping up those shares again if they are clever. If they're not, then they are going to miss the boat. And again, we have been loading our boats and these buy the dip opportunities, guys. We have been given a gift to NIO at these prices of $35. And again, we did actually just have news that they had to close down one of their factories for 5 days, which was actually going to stop them from producing, you know, even higher record deliveries. So we would have actually had even more of a turnover, guys, if the factories therefore were not closed at the end of March due to the global chip semiconductor shortage. So imagine that on top of all of this as well. Now, NIO did actually have a delivery of 20,060 vehicles in the 3 months ended in March 2021, which is an increase again of over 400%. It's 423% year over year, and that is a cumulative deliveries of the ES8, ES6 and EC6 as of March 31st. So guys, that is incredible. They have reached now nearly 100,000 vehicles delivered, and that is absolutely amazing for a big milestone there for our lovely, beautiful NIO, which again is going to continue to grow because they are expected to do 500,000 in deliveries in just a coming few years ahead. And William Li is setting his sights on the big prize. They have their level 4 autonomous driving. They are in the largest market cap in the world, which is China. So guys, it does also say that I wanted to point out, remember with that global chip shortage, that they were only expected to have a delivery number of about 19,500. So we have done well over that. So I really do commend NIO for their hard work, and this is why I am invested in NIO and I'm ignoring all of the short-term noise. So guys, rather than me going through any more of this, I do want to go onto their blog post because we also have some very interesting news that has just come out again before we dive into the charts. So you guys can see up here that we do have a NIO blog, and again, this is for a NIO house. And again, on April 1st, we have just actually opened a brand new Beyond a showroom. So it says here that the world home detonates so many things: warmth, comfort and community, lifestyle, just to name a few. With many automakers, once you purchase the car, your relationship with the automaker ends unless it is through the service department to maintain your vehicle. And again, NIO are opposing to this because they have their NIO houses, which I talk about a lot on my channel, and you guys know that they have they are building an incredible community. They want to treat you like family. They want you to come back time and time again, and they want you to feel special. They want you to have a place to go wherever you are, so that you can also have your family, your friends around you, and again, you can feel safe and happy, just like a home. So we can take a look down here and we can see some of the pictures, guys, of some of our other NIO houses as well. So this is some really good news here for NIO, and this is the exciting news that I wanted to show you. And these houses look absolutely stunning inside. I love the interior. It's so clean and it's so fresh and it's so sleek. It's almost like that very luxury kind of style, which is exactly what NIO are going for as their competitive edge. So guys, let's go on to the charts really quick, have a little dive through what is happening and talk about what's going on. So it did say, guys, that the pre-markets were actually up around $40, and that was after this announcement. So we will have to see what we do open up as in the next few hours, because I do believe that we are going to see another push today, again, as those markets come into effect over the next few hours. And then once we do hit 40, again, if we do close above 40, guys, which will actually be around that 50 on the SMA, if we can close above the 50 on the SMA, and that 21 EMA, which is this line here, can actually curl above and close above the 50, then we are going to start to go into some more bullish momentum moving forward, and that will be really lovely for the share price of NIO, because if we do close above 40, then that is going to make sure that we are now in fact back at that secondary level of support, which was acting as resistance. As you guys can see, I have drawn this big orange line of support on here, which I do believe is going to be, the next support, because right now it is actually acting as a resistance. So we can expect a new channel to be created, and hopefully we can start to retest those highs of $50. And that is going to be the new target for me for NIO, trading anywhere between that $40 and $50. I think we have seen a very obvious W-shaped recovery here for NIO, and I think that this is going to push the price of NIO up. And again, this just goes to... And again, this just gives me more conviction for the end of the year that I know that this stock is going to be worth triple digits in the coming years ahead, because every time, guys, they absolutely crush their deliveries. And I really do hope that you guys have been loading your boats on these buy the dip once in a lifetime opportunities, because I don't think that we will see these prices back here for a very long time, if not at all again. So guys, that is what I'm doing with NIO. I'm happy to hold through any spells of volatility over the next few years, because this company is going to be a triple digit stock, and I will continue to say that on this channel to give you guys as much reassurance as you need, because I'm with you all the way to the moon, and NIO is in my top 5 holdings, and that is for a reason, because I do believe in this company. I'm not going to worry about threat about any of the delistings that are coming up, because I do believe that they are complying right now with all of their professional audits. So guys, hopefully we will start to see that price start to climb up, like I said, to around that $45 mark, which is where the next layer of resistance is. And again, if we can break above that, then we will start to create a new channel anywhere around that $40 to $50 mark. So that is what I'm hoping for our lovely NIO moving forward. Guys, if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you. I hope that you did enjoy this video today. If you did, go down there and smash that like button for me and hit that big red subscribe button if you haven't already, and welcome to this family of investors. My name is Jason, and I hope to see you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. Stay safe, stay green, and have a fantastic bank holiday Easter weekend, because tomorrow is Good Friday and the markets are closed. So make sure that you have either your chocolate, your vegan chocolate as I do, and enjoy Easter. And I'll see you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. Ciao!